Hello guys, in this taskbar hero decoration guide, I will show you everything here that you need to know about armor and weapon decoration, right? So if you want to decorate your armor, you will get that particular thing that you apply damage. So if I apply, for example, to my weapon a minor ruby, it as you can see here, my weapon decoration effect will be 20-30% fire damage. If I want to decorate my armor, it will be fire resistance. So if the enemies, let's say on level Act 3 level 6, there is a lot of level basically enemies that would basically sprays fire, so I need to have fire resistance on my armor. So and now I will show you what you need to do here. So if you want to get a fire resistance or fire attack, fire damage, then you need to use minor ruby. As you can see here, it gives you a armor fire resistance from 5 to 10% and fire damage to 20 to 30%. So you just need to put your gun here and then basically put that particular thing. In case I have now emerald, and then as you can see here, you can do this decoration. If you want to have, as you can see here, cold damage, you need to, or basically armor, you need to use sapphire, minor sapphire, or you can use, as you can see here, should be a rare sapphire. If you want to get lightning damage or lightning attack, lightning resistance or lightning attack on your gun or armor, you need to use minor topaz or topaz here. It will look like this. If you want to get a basically, as you can see here, a chaos resistance, you need to get emeralds. If you want to get a physical damage, you need to use amethyst, and also amethyst will be on the armor. It will give you a cooldown reduction and max HP. So basically, in short, if you want to have, for example, fire attack damage, you need to decorate your gun with that particular ruby or basically the thing here. If you want to resistance from fire, you need to decorate your armor. I will leave this link in the description below so you can easily copy, look what you need to have in order to decorate your guns, or just go to taskbarhero.wiki/materials and you will find, if you hover your mouse here, you will find everything here that you need to know. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.